On 18 February 1979, it snowed in Sahara Desert for 30 minutes. You can die from drinking too much water in the past decade. At least 15 athletes have died from overhydration, which dilutes sodium in the blood. This floating pyramid in the sky is a UFO, as confirmed by the US Pentagon. In a short video leaked online, a triangular shape can be seen accelerating the sky through grainy, green night vision. The Pentagon confirmed it was filmed by the US Navy, and indeed an unidentified aerial phenomenon, UAP. In May 1991, Soviet cosmonaut Sergei Krikalev went to space and was still there when the Soviet Union dissolved. Due to Russia's lack of money, he remained there for 311 days, twice as long as planned. He returned to Earth in March 1992 and is known as the last Soviet citizen. One in every 150 people has something called voluntarily piloerection, the ability to consciously give themselves goosebumps. The phenomenon both perplexes and intrigues neurophysiologists by defying conventional understanding of how the unconscious nervous system operates. In the town Bero located in Elska, the sun sets on November 18th and rises on January 23rd. Between this period, there is darkness for 67 days. One of the most sought-after jobs in Venice is that of gondolier. There are only 425 licenses issued, and applicants must be Venetian by birth. Apprenticeships involve over 400 hours of training, and when a gondolier dies, the license passes to the beneficiary, who then decides the replacement. In 1998, Sony accidentally sold 700,000 camcorders that had the technology to see through people's clothes. Sometimes those who don't socialize much aren't actually antisocial, they just have no tolerance for drama and fake people. The show isn't animated, everything is made of clay and plastic. It takes lot of work. Taking pictures, scenes, frames, and combining them. It's known as stop motion animation. After visiting a prison in Norway that treated prisoners humanely, a warden from North Dakota went back and reformed her prison based on Norway's model. It later saw sharp decline in violence against inmates and threats against staff. Brian May, an astrophysicist who collaborated WTH, the team behind New Horizon, the first spacecraft to explore Pluto, is better known as the lead guitarist of Queen. In 1978, rock band Aerosmith paid approximately $4,200 to bail out every single fan that was arrested when cops invaded the crowd on a post-bust during one of their concerts. According to a survey, men can listen to a male friend for ages but can only listen to his girlfriend or spouse for 6 minutes. Election Commission responsible for second COVID-19 wave in India, officers should probably be booked for murder, Madras High Court. The reason why you wake up just before your alarm clock goes off is because your body doesn't like being interrupted. Waking up gradually is a natural part of the sleep cycle. Your body releases hormones to prepare for the stress of waking, and an alarm clock will interrupt that. So if you have a regular schedule, your body learns what time the alarm goes off and begins the process of waking up earlier. Joseph Strauss, the chief engineer of the Golden Gate Bridge, was concerned with his workers' safety. He required that a net be installed beneath the Golden Gate Bridge during construction. This net saved a total of 19 lives. Silva Greco, a Brazilian mother, who was seen explaining the entire match to her blind son, won FIFA's Best Fan Award in 2019. It takes about 7 minutes for the average person to fall asleep. The most expensive man-made object is the International Space Station, ISS. Its final cost will be over $100 billion, 7,39,500 crores. This is Christina Zeneto, who has removed over 300 hooks from shark's mouth. Women are more influenced by the scent of a man rather than his looks. Humans are afraid of aliens because we think they will treat us the same way as we treat other animals on Earth. A music teacher removed a 10-year-old girl from music class and said that she sounds like a goat. That girl now is Shakira. An Indian Airlines hires female flight attendants because they weight less, saving up to $5 lakhs a year in fuel. Eiffel Tower designer Gustave Eiffel included a secret apartment for himself near the top. In 2014, Sony made a cassette tape that can store 185 TB of data. The world's biggest frog. Goliath frog can be 34 centimeters long and weight over 3.2 kilograms, and they dig their own small pound holes to live in. A full NASA space suit costs $1 to 00000. In the town Barrow located in Alaska, the sun sets on November 18 and rises on January 23. Between this period, there is darkness for 67 days.